This video shows how you construct fragmented elements plants, the fourth of the series of lithographs that are part of this book folio. Here you can see the inside of the folio fold of the plant's print, and here you can see the outside of the folio. The way that you construct the sculptural viewing option of this piece is you identify the tab and the slot towards the bottom of the print. Insert and then flip it over to the other side. Then you bend the curved folds at the bottom so that the two flaps hold together. Tip it up on its bottom, and then you fold the two curved folds until the two notches engage, and then you're done.